Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a stunning WordPress site using starter templates with Elementor. And yes, it's completely free and suitable for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional website that looks professionally designed, without needing to hire a developer or wrestle with code. Let's dive right in and get your site looking amazing in no time. To start, we need to have a couple of essential plugins installed. Go ahead and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes. On the left, find Plugins and click Add New. It's kind of like shopping for new features for your site. In the search bar, type Elementor Website Builder. This is the main tool that will let us visually design our pages without any code. Click Install Now, give it a second or two to download. And then hit Activate. You'll notice your dashboard gets a few new options with Elementor installed. Next, we're going to add the plugin that brings in those gorgeous templates. Starter Templates, type that into the search bar. And look for the one associated with the Astra theme. It's a popular choice. But you don't need Astra specifically for this to work. Install and activate Starter Templates as well. Don't worry if things are taking a few moments to load. Plugins can be like adding new apps to your phone. They need a second to settle in. With both plugins active, you now have access to the template library. Usually, you'll find this under Appearance and then Starter Templates, almost like opening up a portfolio of website designs. Click Build Your Website Now or whatever prompt you see. It may look a little different based on your theme, but the instructions are similar. When prompted, select Elementor as your page builder of choice. If for some reason Elementor isn't listed, just double-check your settings under Settings General to make sure you haven't accidentally disabled Elementor template integration. Sometimes a little checkbox can hide big features. Now comes the fun part. Choosing a template, browse through the gallery and you'll see a mix of free and premium options. The free ones work perfectly for our purposes, with lots of variety for blogs, businesses, portfolios, and more. Take your time previewing. Imagine how your content will fit into the design. When you find one you love, decide whether to import a single page or the entire site. It's your choice, based on whether you want a full site structure or just a specific look for one page. As you click Import, the plugin will let you know if any additional plugins are needed for the template, maybe a contact form or gallery. And it'll handle those installations for you. The import process may take a minute or two, so don't worry if it seems to pause. WordPress is busy building your new site behind the scenes. Once the template's loaded, you're ready to make it your own with Elementor. In your dashboard, head to Pages. Find the newly imported page, often marked as your homepage, and click Edit with Elementor. Now you're in the Elementor editor, where you can start designing by dragging widgets like text blocks, images, and buttons right onto your page. Click any element you want to change. Its settings will pop up on the left, letting you adjust everything from layout to colors. Think of this as rearranging furniture in your living room. It's all about making your website feel just right to you. You can also update global settings like typography or your brand colors for a cohesive look throughout your site. Need a new section or want to borrow from another page? Just click the little folder icon to access more templates from Elementor's library. As you go, preview your changes regularly. There's no rush. Take the time to tweak things until everything looks perfect. When you're happy with the design, simply hit Publish, and your new site is live for the world to see. And that's it. You've just set up a beautiful WordPress website using free starter templates in Elementor. No coding required. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm happy to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.